5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. No, here.
Yeah, it is. I might have been the first to find something, but it's on play.
Uh-oh. Somebody's got a pistol. Hey, Matt, check by that big rock back there. Back by the tree. There's that big rock. Hey, Andrew, are you missing a really big mag?
I had it next to my pistol. But yeah. You measure out? Oh.
Right, or
Okay, I'm already out.
Matt found it over there.
Oh.
It's hot because it's been in the sun for a while.
Yeah, I don't know how to use an AK. I don't know how to turn safety off.
Oh my gosh.
I know it's the side switch, but I don't know what level.
You went right past the sniper rifle. Right under it.
Well, it's good news. I found your extended bag.
Huh?
Good news. I found the extended bag.
Yeah.
I thought I'd set it next to the pistol, but apparently not. I found it over there. Yeah, I grabbed the AK and I don't know if it was off safety or on safety. I don't know how you. It's all the way up there.
Hey, you're going out of bounds! I didn't hide anything up that way!
I didn't even see my headphones. I ran all the way up there. I turned around and see this. I'm like, ah, orange. all the way down is full
All the way down is semi. Full auto is
semi.
the first setting.
That one is nothing.
Yeah, I had it
There.
I still don't know what that.
If it's in between.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, it was in between, so I was
We're
like.
just sitting up there on the edge of the bounds.
So, you guys want to see where all the guns are hidden?
Or just leave them hidden.
Leave them hidden? They'll reset?
Unless you want to play.
Yeah.
Want me to reset the guns?
I kind of got really good.
Okay, well I won't put the P99 in the open like that.
It wasn't in the open.
It was right. That was the first gun you would see if you ran straight to the fire
I ran
pit.
straight there. I ran almost all the way to the tree and turned around and I saw it. I ran back.
You ran past it. Well, Andrew ran right under his sniper rifle.
Told you didn't put it up in the tree.
Yeah. I had to help Matt out and tell him there was a gun back that way. I'm like, oh, Ray's already dominating everything.
I'll like stop, like, okay, time to. Yeah, like we get out here, like, okay, guns right here, so time to stop and walk.
Come down, get lower.
You thought you went real crazy with the hiding.
No, I think he was just trying to.
He's trying to avoid me.
If he comes straight down, the high-powered M4 is right there.
I'm down. I made him drop. This is my old at him. He was like, "Oh, good." Isaiah, the game's over.